Welcome to Radzen Blazor Studio. In this video, we'll explore the RadzenIcon component, a simple and flexible way to add scalable vector icons to your Blazor applications. Let's start with what it does. The RadzenIcon component displays a single icon from the built-in RadzenIcon set based on the material symbols collection. These icons are lightweight, fully responsive, and automatically adapt to your current theme and swatch. To add one, open your page or layout and drag RadzenIcon from the toolbox onto the design surface. Once selected, look at the property grid. Under Common, you'll see the icon property. Click the small icon picker button next to it. This opens a visual gallery of available icons. You can browse or search by keyword when, for example, home, save, or edit, and click to select the one you want. Radzen Studio automatically assigns the correct icon value for you, so there's no need to type Unicode references or remember icon names manually. Under Look and Feel, you'll find two key appearance options: IconColor, which lets you set a specific color value, for example red, RZ primary, or any other CSS color token, and IconStyle, which applies one of the predefined functional color styles from your design system, such as primary, secondary, info, success, warning, or danger. These options make it easy to visually integrate icons with your theme, ensuring they match buttons, alerts, or other components that use the same style categories. The visible property under Behavior allows you to show or hide the icon dynamically, and Culture under Localization is included for consistency with other Radzen components, though it's rarely needed for static icons. You can also use icons inside other Radzen components. For example, adding an icon to a button. The icon automatically aligns with the text and inherits the button's color and size for a polished, cohesive look. Being font icons means you can change the icon size just like changing a font size. And that's it. You've just learned how to use RadzenIcon, choose icons visually using the icon picker, apply functional color styles with IconStyle, and combine icons seamlessly with other components in Radzen Blazor Studio.